Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. So you have to start by opening your App Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search and then select Edge browser and click install. Now you can click on open and then click I agree. Now click on not now, and here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now, and now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. Then you can decide if you want those notifications from this app or not, and as you can see my app is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.